all the necessary Igbo greetings you must know. The following are the basic Igbo greetings that you must know. Ekene dị iche iche n'asụsụ Igbo. Basic greetings in Igbo language. Every greeting is divided according to the time it is meant to be used. This is why greetings are scheduled for morning, afternoon, evening, and night. In the Igbo worldview, there are greetings designed for morning, afternoon, evening, and night. In the same vein, there are other greetings and other situations. We'll begin with the morning greetings. These are greetings that the Igbos use in the morning. In the morning, the Igbos greet Ibolachi, Ibolachi, and the response is Abolamchi. They can as well use Ụtụtụ ọma, Ụtụtụ ọma, and the response is Ụtụtụ ọma. This is like saying good morning and the next person responds by saying good morning. The Igbos also use Epụtara ụra, and the response is Apụtara m ụra. So let's have a quick review again of the morning greetings. Ụtụtụ ọma, response Ụtụtụ ọma. Ibolachi, response Abolamchi. Ipụtara ụra, response Apụtara m ụra. In the afternoon, the Igbos greet Ehihie ọma, and the response is Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma, response Ehihie ọma. In the evening, the Igbos greet Mgbede ọma, and the response is Mgbede ọma. Greeting Mgbede ọma, response Mgbede ọma. At night, the Igbos greet Abalị ọma, response Abalị ọma. Abalị ọma, response Abalị ọma. They can also greet Kachifo, response Kaọbọ, Kachifo, Kaọbọ. They can also use Rahụ nke ọma, Rahụ nke ọma, response Rahụkwa nke ọma. Rahụ nke ọma, response Rahụkwa nke ọma. There are other situational greetings based on the situation or event at the moment. They include greetings when someone is traveling. The Igbos greet Ga or Jee nke ọma, response O imeela. You can also use Ijeọma. The response is O. You can also use Ka emesịa. Response is still O. You can also use Ụzọ rubere gị isi. During gathering, the Igbos use the following greeting. Cha 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 Igbo kwenu, ya. Cha 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 Igbo kwenu, ya. Cha 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 Igbo kwenu, ya. Kwezuonu o.
Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwenu, kwezuonu.
During work as well, the Igbos also greet Darụ or Darụ ọrụ, and the response is O imeela. They can also use Jisike. The response O. They can also put it in a question way. Ọrụkwanụ. The answer is, or the response rather, Ọ dị mma. During examination, the Igbos greet Jisike, response O. Or they can also greet Mee nke ọma, response O. They can also use Ihu ọma kpọkwa gị, and the response is as well O. When someone is mourning or someone just lost a loved one, the Igbos greet with Ndo, and the response is O. They can also greet with Karobi or Kasiobi, and the response is O. When someone is sick or ill, the Igbos greet Ndo, response O. They also greet Jisike, response O. They can also greet Oga Demma, the response O. They can also use Biko Gbasie, Ogbake ngwa ngwa, the response is also O. Finally, there is greeting meant for situation when you mistakenly spoil a thing or offend someone. They include Ndo, response O. Biko gbagharam, response O. These are the basic greetings used by the Igbo people.